Class 6, Chapter 1, Sources of History, Lecture 3. Children, you see in this picture vessels, ornaments, and tools. You see these vessels, different types of ornaments, and tools of daily uses of ancient times people. Ancient time people use these types of pots, these types of tools, these types of vessels, and they wear different types of ornaments. During excavation, utensils, stone tools, and ancient ornaments are found which help us to know the history of ancient times. During excavations means whenever some years go, some changes are there. Utensils, stone tools, and ancient ornaments are found in history. Some peoples use different types of utensils, different types of stone tools, and they wear different ornaments. Based on picture 1.4, gather information on similar objects found from an excavation site near your residence. Just as archaeologists do, we too can know the history of ancient times from old coins, stone inscriptions, paintings, and metal places. We discussed previous two lecture about inscriptions, about paintings, about metal plates, about old coins, and stone inscriptions. Here you see the sources of history: documents, paintings, ornaments, toys, coins, inscriptions, bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, temples, travel eggs, etc. This is the sources of history. This all things are. Stone inscription, the writings which are carved on stones, means their writing which are carved on stones, it is called stone inscription. You see Bhojpatras, the bark of a tree on which books were written in ancient times. Copper plates, inscriptions on copper and tin in some different copper and tin. Inscriptions carved on copper and tin. Carbon dating system is used by archaeologists to know the exact date and time of a finding. Means you see date and time by archaeologists given that date and time. It is called carbon dating system. They used archives, means historical records. You found historical records. That place is called archives. Here we now know that there are various sources from which we can get authentic historical information. Authentic means pictures with pictures. Let us collect the sources from which we can gather the history of our town, city, or village. Hence you find out sources of history by authentic historical information in your Aadhaar card, in your PAN card, in your voter ID card. It is called government authentic documents. So in authentic historical information means you find out from pictures, information plus pictures in that historical information, authentic historical. Let us see here. You can know more about history from copper plates, Bhojpatras, and manuscripts of ancient times in the Sri Hemchandracharya Library, Patan, in North Gujarat. LD Institute of Indology, Navranpura, Ahmedabad. Tribal Museum, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Ahmedabad. And Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra, Koba, Gandhinagar. So uh, some historical sources you can find out from that places. That some copper plates, Bhojpatras, and manuscripts. It is called all things you find out from these four institutions. Okay, so in next lecture we discussed about chapter number 2.